Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you NGL app doesn't work on Instagram and it's a upload failed. So let's get started. So if you see here your NGL, so nowadays NGL like app or link we can't use in our Snapchat as well, because Snapchat has banned sharing links on their platform because of some security issue, and the same issue is coming with the Instagram. So basically you can do with the link shortener. Okay, just copy the link. So just go and click on here as search for the link shortener. Go with any website, just click paste here, short the app link, then you can copy and use it. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.